Welcome to Brunda Engineering Academy channel. In this video, we will discuss about gate previous questions asked in calculus concept, focusing on maxima and minima concept. In the previous video, we are already learned some problems. The continuation of this. If you missed that video, I will mention in the description. Please watch that video. Then you can understand the concept easily. Now, coming to the question, here this is the problem asked in GATE 2008. Okay, GATE 2008. This question has asked. Consider function f of x. Consider function f of x equal to x square minus 4 whole square, where x is a real number. Then the function has only one minima, only two minima, three minima, and three maximum. This question asked in 2008. Now, how can you solve? Whenever they ask about the maxima and minima, first of all, you should consider the function. So, what is the function? That is f of x equal to x square minus 4 whole square. So the first step is we have to find the first derivation. So that is f dash of x. So f of x equal to x square minus 4 whole square. So then you have to find out the derivative, first derivative. So here it is the total function. So the derivation of this first function is 2 into x square minus 4 x square minus 4 into an individual derivation of this x square minus 4. So x square minus 4 means it is 2x minus 4 derivation is 0. Okay, then by the simplification, now do the simplification. 2 into 2x, that is 4x into x square minus 4. 4x into x square minus 4. Here 4x into x square minus 4 means x square minus 2 square. So it can be written as 4x into x plus 2 into x minus 2. So here you have to find out the values of the x, you have to equate the tested of f dash of x to 0. So then you get x equal to 0, that means 4x equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to 0, it is one value, and x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 2. So here you get the values of three values of x. Then what is the maximum value and what is the minimum value? So then to find out that we have to do the again differentiation. Again differentiation of this f dash of x. That means f double dash of x equal to. So what is the general function? F dash of x. F dash of x is calculated. That is f dash of x equal to 4x into x square minus 4. Now coming to f double dash of x. F double dash of x. So for that, it is in the form of d by d of uv. So then it is taken as u and it is taken as x square v. So for that purpose, you have to take the derivation. The simple derivation you have applied 4x into the derivation of x square minus 4, that is 2x minus 4 is having the derivation of 0 plus, now take this x square minus 4 into derivation of 4x is the 4. Derivation of 4x is the 4. Now from these two, what is the common term? So from this two, we can write the common term is 4. So here do the simplification. 4x plus 2x. 4x into 2x. That is 8x square. 4x into 0. That is 0 plus 4x square minus 16. 4x square minus 16. So from that we can write 12x square 12x square minus 16. 12x square minus 16. So from that what is the common term? So here 12x square minus 16. So we get the value of this one, f double dash of x. So to find out this value, we have to substitute where the value is maximum. So where the value is maximum is f double dash of 0. Find out f double dash of 0. Then here 12 into 0 square minus 16. That means this value is minus 16, which is less than 0. Minus 16, which is less than 0. Next, coming to second value, f double dash of minus 2. That means 12 into minus 2 whole square minus 16. So here minus 2 whole square means 4. 4 12s 48 minus 16. So its value is 32, which is greater than 0. Which is greater than 0. Next, coming to f double dash of 2, then similarly 12 into 2 whole square minus 16. So that value is 48 minus 16 equal to 32, which is also greater than 0. So here the thing is, if f double dash of x is less than 0, it is the maxima value. It is the maxima. Whereas if f double dash is less than 0, here less than 0 maxima. If it is greater than 0, that are the minima. That are the minima. So here if you observe minus 6 is less than 0. So here maximum. Here 32 is greater than 0. It is the less greater than 0. So it is the minimum value. And here also 32 is greater than 0. It is also the minimum value. So from that we can observe here two minimum and one maximum. So here minima is only two minima. So the right option is the B. This question asked in 2008 for 2 marks. Next coming to this one. Which one of the following function is strictly bounded? Strictly bounded. This question is asked in 2007. That is a 1 by x square, 1 by x square, and e power x. It is the x square and e power minus x square. So we have to draw the graph. The graphs are given like this. Graphs are these are y equal to minus 1 by x square graph is this one, y equal to e power minus x, and y equal to x square, y equal to x square, and y equal to minus x square. So the answer is that is the graph. Based on the graph, the strictly bounded function is y equal to e power minus x square, e power minus x square. So here it is the minimum value and it is the maximum value and it is the minimum value. So the option is the strictly the which one of the following function is strictly bounded is the y equal to here e power minus x square. Next, Consider the function f of x equal to x square minus x minus 2, the maximum value of f of x in the closed interval minus 4 comma 4 is. So to find out the maximum value. So what is that? Whenever they give the maximum or minimum in the problem, then first of all you have to consider the function f of x equal to x square minus x minus 2. So then do first derivation f dash of x. So that means 2x minus 1 minus 0. You have to do equate to 0. Then what is the value of x? X equal to 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by 2. So that means 2x minus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Then we get the value of x equal to 1 by 2. Next, coming to double derivation. That means f double dash of x. So what is the function f of x? F of x is here f dash of x is 2x minus 1 coming to f double dash of x. Means here 2. 2x derivation is 2 minus 1 derivation is 0. So f double dash of x is 2, which is greater than 0, which is already greater than 0. So here f double dash of x is we get the value that equal to 2. So to find out the maximum and minimum, so first of all, what you have to do, f double dash of 1 by 2 equal to 2, which is greater than 0, which is greater than 0. So that means which is greater than 0 means here we have the minimum value. But what are the for in this case, what are the intervals given? Minus 4 comma 4. And what is the function f of x equal to x square minus x minus 2. We get f dash of x is a constant term. So then you have to substitute that values intervals. So we get f dash of here f of minus 4 equal to. So here minus 4 square minus of minus 4 minus 2. Here minus here we get minus 4 whole square. That means 16 plus 4 minus 2. This value is 18. It is 18. Next coming to f dash f of 4. F of 4 in this equation. That means 4 square minus 4 minus 2. That means 16 minus 6. Its value is 10. So here what is they asking in our problem? Consider the following function. The maximum value of f of x. Maximum value of f of x. Here we get the at minus 4 we get 18 and at 4 we get 10. So the answer is what is the maximum value we get here? This is the option 18. 18 is the correct answer. Okay. So in this way we can find out the maximum values and minimum values. Okay, so in the next video we will solve some more problems on the maximum and minimum values. Okay, so if you like this video, please share and subscribe Branda Engineering Academy channel. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.